everyone, how are you doing? How's it going? Welcome to the miniature building series part 5. We're doing some really exciting things today. We are building furniture. That's amazing, isn't it? So, all those little trinkets we've made, we will be able to put on the shelves. Magical, right? So yeah, I can't wait. Let's get down to it. Let's get down to business. Let's build. Lots of energy today.
I'm so sorry, Pushing. I didn't mean to knock you off the shelf. There you go.
Alrighty, let's do this. So, last time we have built a bunch of paper boxes and we put a bunch of stuff in the paper boxes, but today we're gonna be building wooden boxes for a change. But also we're gonna be building some shelves. And I am particularly excited for this one right here. It looks so pretty. So let's start with box number 1, the book box, for which we're gonna be needing piece J9, J10, and J11. Gotta say, they are not that difficult to get out of the stencil, but I'm still kind of scared I'm gonna break them. Does it happen to you? Like, I'm worried every single time. Stressful. And there we go! Here are the pieces. They're so tiny. It's almost as if we're building a miniature thing. But yeah, in all seriousness, I am impressed every single time because the stuff looks much bigger in the instructions, obviously. But when you see it in real life, it's like, wow, that's tiny. Like tiny, tiny. But yeah, let's start assembling the book box. Alrighty, now I have to leave the 2 pieces I assembled to dry before I add the 3rd piece. And in the meantime, we can tackle the 2nd box, which I would like to call the trinket box. And there it is. Now we just need to wait for it to dry. And while that's drying, let's get back to the book box. And there we go. Now we have to wait for it to dry yet again. Also, don't worry about the glue. It's gonna be invisible when it dries. So yeah, there we go. The book box. And now let's move on to the star of the show. The one I am most excited about making, the little wooden shelf. Or a bench shelf thingy, furniture. And for that, we're gonna be needing the pieces L6, L7, and L8. So in the instructions, the legs of the bench or the shelf are a little bit on an angle, and I'm finding it a little bit difficult to accomplish that. Because when the glue is drying, the whole thing is very, very wobbly. So I'm trying to set it up and then not touch it whatsoever. But you know, I like slightly move the table and everything wobbles and falls apart. But yeah, I think I managed in the end? Question mark? And then, if that wasn't stressful enough, another shelf comes on top of it. And there we go. And guys, it looks so adorable. I love the idea of it. You could use it as a little table, as a little shelf, as a bench. It's so versatile if you want to use it in other projects as well. Really loving it. Really nice piece of furniture. Okay, moving on, we have another shelf. But this one is a little bit different. It's gonna be a hanging shelf as opposed to the freestanding shelf, I believe. So I'm looking forward to attaching it to the wall. If we attach it to the wall, I will have to look this up in the instructions. But yeah, let's make this. And for that, we're gonna be needing the pieces L1 and L2. Pretty straightforward. I like it. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of amazed that the shelves just stay in place on their own, but they do. So I'm happy and I'm not gonna jinx it. Stay in place, little shelves. I believe in you. And with that, let's take out the big guns, the big shelf. Look how many parts it has. It's gonna be a little bit more of a challenge, but it's gonna be very satisfying seeing it all put together. So yeah, let's start. And we're gonna be starting with the back wall, I believe. guys, this is literally the box of matches size, isn't it? It's even the same color. That's insane. But saying that, let's move on to the inside of the shelf. So we're building shelves inside the shelf. And they have a really clever design too, because they fit together really nicely, so you don't have to really worry about positioning them well inside the thing that you already built. So yeah, cool. And there we go, our little box of matches, without matches, but now comes with shelves. So let's let it dry for now, and then we're gonna add the legs. And for that we need the piece, or pieces, KO8. Let's do this. Dum da dum, here they are, and now they have to dry too. And here they are. Oh, I'm so happy, they look so good. So these are all the pieces we've made today. So we have a few shelves, we have some boxes, and I can't wait to put all of the books we've made on them, because we made like millions of like a million of books. So yeah, they will finally have a place to go. My favorite is the shelf bench table thing. I think it looks really, really nice. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is for you. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye!